Hey guys, it's day 17 of virtual learning. I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys a little bit. I haven't really had a chance to talk to you. So we officially got the announcement that we are not coming back to school this year. So that means that I will not get to see you guys again until you are in first grade. I'm really sad, and I'm actually super heartbroken about it. But I wanted to let you know that if you want to have a one-on-one Zoom call with me or FaceTime me, I am here to talk, to chat, even do some academics if you want. So let me know. I also wanted to talk about Fridays. We are no longer having class on Fridays. That's a collaboration day for teachers. And our last day of virtual learning has been announced as May 20th, okay? So parents, kids, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's learn. What's up, kindergarten? It's a new day. It's Thursday today. We've got a special birthday to celebrate today. Actually, two special birthdays. Today is Michael and Mike King Brewster's birthday. So happy birthday, boys. Eat lots of cake and ice cream. All right. First, let's move over our marker from from Wednesday to Thursday, and let's say our days of the week. Let me grab my pointer. All right, here we go. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. Very good. All right. Today, I would like to also do our months, and we're going to count the months, okay? So here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 12 months in a year. There are 10 and 2 extra ones, that's 12. Right now we are in month number 4. All right, let's see if you can figure out what today's number and shape are. I'm going to scoot you closer. Some of you guys told me yesterday what you thought today was going to be. But let's go through. And I'm going to say the pattern to see if I can figure out what's next, okay? Here I go. Sphere, sphere, cube, cone. Sphere, sphere, cube, cone. Sphere, sphere, cube, cone. Sphere, sphere, cube. What shape do you think's next? Cone? I think a cone too. All right, and what's the number going to be, okay? Remember, these are our teen numbers. Let's start at 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job. All right, let's see if we are right. Yes, we are. 16 and a cone. And our cone today is a party hat, which is perfect for Michael and Mike King's birthday. Awesome job. All right, let's say our date. Ready? Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. 2020 is our year. Our season is still spring. Today it is sunny, but it's still chilly. I'm ready for that warm weather to come back. All right, let's fix our date on our whiteboard. Here we go. All right, so we had 14 on here from Tuesday. We need to change our day, okay? And I'm actually going to erase and rewrite the 4 over here too. All right, so remember, this 4 stands for April because April's the 4th month. Our day is 16, which is a 1 and a 6. It's the 16th day of April. And then we have a 20 for 2020. Fabulous job. All right, today I want to review our 3D shapes. I know we haven't done the Post-its yet. Don't worry, we're getting there. All right, let's review our 3D shapes. This is a cylinder. Say cylinder. Good job. A cylinder has a circle for 2 of the faces. If you sit it this way, it doesn't move. If you sit it this way, it rolls. Pretty cool, huh? All right, our next shape, this was our shape for today, is a cone, okay? Awesome. A cone can go this way. It can go this way. My cone is missing its face. It's supposed to have a flat circle face there, but mine actually has a hole in it. Oops. Next, we have a sphere. It's like a ball. I bet you know sphere by now. Next, we have a cube. I actually have another cube here. Look, a dice. A dice or a die is a type of cube. And last, I have a rectangular prism. Looks like a box of tissues to blow your nose. It's pretty cool. I like cubes, and I like rectangular prisms. Now remember, the cube and the rectangular prism are really close, but they're not exactly the same. All the faces on the cube are squares, but on the rectangular prism, 2 of the faces are squares, and the rest of the faces are rectangles. And this could be tall or long and skinny. A lot of these shapes could look different. So like here, look at this. This is actually a cylinder. They don't look the same, do they? This one's long and skinny, but they both have a circle face, and the other face goes all the way around. My eraser here is a rectangular prism. It doesn't look exactly like this rectangular prism, but it has rectangles for the faces. And it's a 3D shape. It's not flat. 3D. All right. So today, I didn't put my number up for today yet because I want you to help me figure out the number and figure out how to write it. Let's also figure out the color. So what color is going to come next? What color comes next? It's going to go right here. Look at our pattern. We have 2 greens, orange, teal, pink, purple, red, yellow. Good job. So I need a yellow today. So I'll stick my yellow up there. It's not the exact same shade, but it's close. All right, now how do we figure out the number that comes next, okay? How do we figure that out? If you're not sure what this number is, it might be kind of difficult. You might be able to figure out what the number looks like, but you may not know its name. I like to figure out the numbers by counting on from a number that I already know. Let's count on from 5, okay? We all know 5. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 is my number. Now, how do I write it? If I look at my pattern, I see that all these numbers start with a 1, and I know my team numbers start with a 1, so I know I can write a 1 first. Then I have to think. 17. 17. I think it's a 7 next, but I'm not sure. Let's look. Ooh, look at this. These have 1s. These have 2s, 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a 7. I'm right. 17. Everybody say 17. Good job. All right. Let's say our funny numbers now. Let's start at 10. 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7. Those are so goofy. Now let's say the real team numbers. Let's start at 10 and count on. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good job. We're going to play our game we played yesterday again, where I hold up 2 numbers and you tell me which one is the bigger number, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Which one, which one is the bigger number? 14. Good job. You're right. All right, let's do another one. Put those back. Now this one's tricky because they are both team numbers. They both have 2 digits, but which one's bigger or greater? 17. Good. 17's bigger. All right, one more. Which number is greater? Which number is greater? Which one's greater? This one or this one? This one or this one? Yep, it's 13. Good job. All right, awesome job today, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, guys, here's our news. Take a moment to read it, and then we'll read together. All right, here we go. Good morning, class. It is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. It will rain today. We do not have class tomorrow. Have a good weekend. Awesome job. All right, I want to go through our news and find all our sight words, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about our news, okay? First, we have the word good. Then we have the word it. We have the word is. We have the word it. Again, there's will. Here's we. Here's do. Here's not. Here's have. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of sight words. Have again. A. Good again. Awesome job. Lots of sight words in this one. All right. Next, I'm going to go through and I'm going to circle the words that you know how to sound out, okay? So class, class. You can absolutely sound out class, okay? Thursday, April, those are trickier words, same thing with morning, but we can find those on our calendar and we might know them from reading them a lot, okay? Today, we can figure out because we know the word to and we know the word day, so we'll circle that one. It's just two words smushed together. There's class again. We can absolutely sound that one out. Tomorrow is a hard word. It's longer, but we know that word from doing it during calendar math. Same thing with weekend. We can't sound out. We know week because week is in our classroom. It's on our calendar. And then end we can sound out. End. So sometimes they take two words and put them together, and it looks like a big scary word, but it's really not that scary. All right, before we move on, I do want to talk about this. So tomorrow we don't have school. The district has announced that we will have no school on Fridays. So no class tomorrow. Take a break. And have a great weekend, guys. See you later. Hey, so today we're going to do just a little bit of review for addition and subtraction, okay? So first, I want to review addition. Remember, when we see a plus sign, that means we're going to add. Addition is when we put together or add to, okay? We can count all. The next thing is subtraction. That's a minus. When we see a minus, we know to subtract. Subtract means take away. Take away. Good. All right. I'm going to write some equations on my board, and some of you might be able to do these in your head, but I want to talk about strategies we can use if we don't know the answer, okay? And it's always good to check your answer, okay? So I'm going to write a few up here. All right, let's start with these three. All right, first I have 2 plus 7, okay? You might already know that in your brain, but we have some different strategies we can use. Now, 2 plus 7 is kind of tricky because you don't have 7 fingers over here, but you can do this. You can put up 7, right? 7, and then add 2 more. 1, 2. How many do I have? 9. You're right. Another strategy I can use besides fingers is drawing dots. So let's draw some dots and then we'll count them all. I need to draw 2 here. 1, 2, and under the 7 I'm going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm not done yet. I have to count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I get the right answer? I sure did. All right. Another strategy you can do is drawing dots under the small number, circling the big number, and counting on, okay? So what that means is we start at 7 and we count on. Watch me. Ready? 7, 8, 9. Wow, that was cool, wasn't it? Let's do it again. Ready? 7, 8, 9. Did I get the right answer? Yep, my sum's 9. Good job. High five. All right, next, let's do this one. Now, don't get tricked. Does this say 5 plus 3? No, that's a minus. That means we have to take away. It says 5 minus 3, okay? So again, you can use your fingers if you want. You can put up 5 and take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. Good job. Let's check our answer. Let's draw dots. Now this is tricky. On subtraction, you do not draw dots under 5 and 3. Nope. You only draw dots under 5 because you're going to take away 3. So let's draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now, minus 3 means take away 3. So let's take away 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. Good job. Now, just like in addition, when we counted on and subtraction, you can count backwards. It's kind of crazy. Let me show you. All right, so for subtraction, if you're going to count backwards, you're going to circle the bigger number, that's your 5, draw your 3 dots, catch 5, and this time count backwards. Ready? So try it with me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Did I get the right answer? I did. That's a little tricky, but if your brain is already doing super good at addition and subtraction, you can try that out, okay? Next, let's do 4 plus 4. 4 is a doubles fact, okay? I know that 4 plus 4 is always going to make 8. That one I like to do in my head, but if you can't do it in your head, no big deal. Draw your dots. 4 dots there, 4 dots there, count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I get the right answer? Oh, yeah. Now, this one's tricky because 4 plus 4, there's not a bigger number or a smaller number. So on this one, if you want to do the count on strategy, you can just pick either one. So I'm going to pick the first one. I'm going to circle it, and I'm going to count on. Ready? So catch 4 and count on. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right. Let's erase. Now, I'm going to write 3 addition equations, and I want to see if you can figure out how they're alike, okay? Okay. How are these 3 equations alike? How are they alike? Now, parents, you might not get this one, but your kiddo might. These are all combos for 10, or number bonds for 10, okay? So, if you don't remember, let's sing our number bond song and try to make 10 and see if these all equal 10. Ready? 9 and 1 are number bonds, 8 and 2 are 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5 are twins. Good job! We know all of these make 10. Let's see if we can write our other ways to make 10. Okay? 9 and 1 are number bonds. 8 and 2 are 2. 7 and 3, 6 and 4. 5 and 5 are twins. Those are all our ways to make 10. And we have those memorized so we can do it in a snap. All right. Awesome job, guys. We'll do some more of this later. Keep working on addition and subtraction. Keep working on addition and subtraction, okay? All right. Have a great weekend. I miss you. I'll see you later.